Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best pool rescue hook is probably one of the most essential pieces of safety equipment for any pool owner, lifeguard, or facility manager, offering a critical tool to extend reach and provide assistance during emergencies. This simple yet effective device can mean the difference between a minor incident and a tragic outcome, allowing for prompt intervention without direct contact, thus minimizing risk for both the rescuer and the person in distress. Its importance cannot be overstated in environments where water poses a constant hazard, making it a non-negotiable item for comprehensive pool safety protocols and preparedness. Number 5. U.S. Pool Supply Pool Pole Hanger. Introducing the U.S. Pool Supply Pool Pole Hanger. This set of two durable plastic hooks can hold up to 3 pool poles each, making storage simple and efficient for both in-ground and above-ground pools. Tired of clutter? These hangers are the ideal accessory to keep all your pool cleaning and maintenance items, like nets, skimmers, and leaf rakes, neatly organized and readily accessible. Installation is a breeze with the included screws. You can easily mount these hangers on various surfaces, including fences, walls, decks, and posts, providing strong and secure support. Crafted with premium quality plastic, these holders offer robust and secure support for your telescopic pool poles and other essential accessories, ensuring they stay in place. U.S. Pool Supply offers professional, high-quality, and affordable solutions for pool maintenance. Keep your pool in top condition and reduce the need for expensive professional services. What we like. If you have a lot of pool poles and accessories that are cluttering up your deck, this is the solution. It offers ample storage for multiple poles and keeps everything tidy. If you're looking for a simple way to organize your pool equipment, this is a great choice. What people say. The hook is sturdy and well made, perfect for reaching someone in the water. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even when fully extended. The design is simple yet effective, making it a reliable tool for water rescues. Number 4. 15-foot Pool Safety Rescue Hook. Summer is here, and water safety is paramount. Our adjustable rescue pole provides immediate assistance to anyone in distress in the water. It allows for quick and easy retrieval of a victim to safety. Crafted from robust fiberglass, this pole is both lightweight and incredibly durable. Its extra strength ensures it can withstand years of use in demanding pool environments, always ready when you need it. Featuring bright reflective strips, this life-saving equipment enhances visibility. This allows for faster location and use during emergencies, saving crucial time and improving overall safety. Its retractable design makes it compact for storage. When needed, it extends to the perfect length, allowing rescuers to reach victims regardless of their position in the water. This rescue pole is small, lightweight, and easy to operate, making it readily accessible. It's an essential tool for any water activity, and can be used with life preserver rings for added safety. What we like. For those who prioritize immediate water safety, this is an essential tool. Its extendable design and reflective strips ensure quick and effective rescues. If you're concerned about drowning incidents and need a reliable way to assist swimmers in distress, this is the product for you. What people say. The hook is made of durable aluminum and is lightweight, making it easy to handle. It extends to a good length, allowing for safe retrieval from a distance. The design is simple yet effective, with a secure grip that prevents slipping. Number 3. Upgraded Self-Repair Pool Net. This pool net is made from high-strength nylon, offering superior durability. It's designed to be reparable for minor damages, ensuring it lasts longer. Built with a robust aluminum frame, this skimmer is made to withstand regular use. It resists wear and tear, providing reliable performance over time. Perfect for various water features like pools and ponds, it effectively catches leaves, bugs, and other small debris. It's ideal for both above-ground and in-ground pools. Its innovative front lip design allows for easy scooping of debris from the bottom. Lifting it through the water is also smooth and effortless. This net is designed to fit standard 1 to 1/4-inch poles. An easy clip is included for convenient attachment, making pool cleaning simple. What we like. If you're tired of nets that tear easily, this self-repairing option is ideal. Its durable construction and efficient scooping design make pool cleaning a breeze. If you have a pool with frequent debris and want a long-lasting, easy-to-use skimmer, consider this. What people say. The hook is made of durable aluminum and is lightweight, making it easy to handle. It extends to a good length, allowing for safe retrieval of a person from the water without putting yourself at risk. The design is simple yet effective, with a secure grip that prevents slipping even when wet. Number 2. Swimline Hydrotools Safety Hook 89900. Your safety is paramount, especially around the pool. This essential accessory is specifically designed to help prevent drowning accidents, ensuring peace of mind for everyone. Don't worry about reaching difficult spots. Its extended reach allows for easy access to the bottom of the pool, ensuring you can retrieve anything, anytime. In emergencies, speed matters. This tool is incredibly easy to use, designed for quick and simple retrieval of both objects and individuals who may have fallen in. Crafted from premium, high-quality materials, it's built to withstand the demanding pool environment. You can depend on its durability and sturdiness for years to come. Beyond safety, it's incredibly versatile. Use it to easily retrieve toys, leaves, or any other debris that finds its way into your pool. Storage and use are a breeze. It's compact and lightweight, easily hung or stored, ensuring it's always accessible when you need it. It also connects to all standard telescopic poles. What we like. When safety and quick retrieval are paramount, this hook is a must-have. Its extended reach and simple operation make it perfect for emergencies. If you need a reliable tool for rescuing people or retrieving objects from any part of your pool, this is the one to get. What people say. The hook is very sturdy and well made. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver, even in strong currents. The telescoping handle extends to a good length, allowing for safe reach. Number 1. Marine Floating Rope, 14x 32 feet reflective orange. Introducing our versatile floating rope, designed for all your aquatic adventures. It's lightweight, durable, and built to last, even when submerged. Crafted with a high-strength polypropylene outer skin and inner core, this rope offers exceptional tensile strength for reliable performance. With an ultimate tensile force of 1,011 pounds, you can trust its strength for demanding tasks like anchoring and mooring. The eye-catching reflective orange outer skin ensures easy visibility in any water condition, enhancing safety and identification. Whether you're boating, fishing, rafting, or camping, this rope is your go-to solution for a variety of water sports and outdoor activities. It's also ideal for rescue operations, as a tow line for kayaks and canoes, or even for general utility purposes around your home and garden. What we like. For versatile water activities and safety, this floating rope is a great choice. Its high tensile strength and reflective design make it visible and reliable. If you need a durable rope for boating, rescue, or general utility in wet environments, this is a practical option. What people say. The hook is very sturdy and well made, perfect for reaching someone in the water. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making rescues quicker and safer. The telescoping design allows for adjustable length, fitting various pool sizes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.